Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Friends, let us solve question number 16. Two independent harmonic oscillators of equal mass are oscillating about the origin with angular frequencies omega 1 and omega 2. So their angular frequencies are omega 1 and omega 2. Total energies are E1 and E2. Then the variations of their momenta, its momentum is P1, its momentum is P2. With position x, the variation of momentum and position x are shown in figure. If A by B is n square, so these are the diagrams given. This is A, this is B, this is R, this is elliptical, this is circular. So is given by A by B is n square and A by R is n, then the correct equation is. So we must know that the total energy, if I want to find the total energy expression is half m omega square a square in general, where m is the mass of the oscillator, a is the amplitude plus a minus a. This is the mass, this is the origin, these are the two extremes. Now in this situation I want E1 and E2. E1 will be how much? E1 will be half m, because masses are same given in the question. Omega 1 square and amplitude a square, that I have to write, because this is having amplitude a, and E2 will be what? It will be half m omega 2 square and r square. Here is r, so r square. If I divide that to E1 over E2, because I have E1 is also involved here and here, is equal to half of m omega 1 square a square divided by half of m omega 2 square r square. This will cancel out. A square by r square, that is but we have a by r in the question is given as n here, so I'll write a by r as n, so it is omega 1 square by omega 2 square into n square. Okay, that way to replace this n with some omega and omega 1 and omega 2, that way to see. So this is I'll write equation number 1, omega 1 square, omega 2 square, n square. This is my equation 1. Then I'll move to, for first oscillator, I'll have few things like B equals to m a omega 1. For first oscillator, here is the first oscillator, B equals to, I can write m a omega 1, and from here I'll write that a by b equals to 1 over m omega 1. For second oscillator, I'll write that a1 over m omega 2 equals to 1. This is for the second oscillator, this is for the first oscillator. So a by b is n square, so A by B is n square, so I can write omega 2 by omega 1 n by omega square I can put here 1 over 1 is actually 1 over this is 1, or m omega square is 1, or m omega 2 is 1. That you can write. If I put m omega 2, then it is a by b equals to here m omega 2 by m omega 1, which is equal to omega 2 by omega 1. A by b is n square, so n square is omega 2 over omega 1 is n square. This is my 2. If I put this 2 in 1, what I will get? Putting 2. So putting this equation 2 in 1, we have the equation number 1 is e1 over e2, that is omega 1 square over omega 2 square into n square, and n square we got as omega 2 over omega 1 here, omega 1 square omega 2 square omega 2 omega 1, so that will give omega 1 over omega 2. So e1 over e2 we are getting omega 1 over omega 2. So that is that implies e1 over omega 1 here equals to e2 over omega 2. This is your option number 4. Next, so this is an n square that comes out to omega 2 over omega 1, that is there. That is option number 2 also correct. So option number 2 and option number 4 are correct. Okay, thank you.